मेरे यारो after a break I'm connecting. Yesterday I couldn't take break. I wasn't well also. Second half I got a headache because of climate changes. Here the climate has become suddenly cold and it's raining. Lot of people are having this little bit like under the weather condition because of change of weather. And workplace also I was quite occupied. Right now also it's raining. I don't think so this rain is going to stop soon. I can't even see the sea side from my window. And I'm having this adrak wali chai. You can see this chai. This is a perfect combination to have a nice music, background music with the hot ginger tea and this climate. I just love this time right now. So I'll just show you how it is looking outside, and it's a Wednesday, midweek way, midweek sustainability day, and it is midweek sustainability because there are situation and like work is coming at my workplace, so somehow I need to juggle with my situation, my health and work. So sometimes you need to find a little bit tough time to balance all these things. I'm going through that, but never mind, life is all about balancing the imbalances. I'll show you how it is looking outside. Give me a second. Ciao. I whenever I like experience this climate, rain and all, the very first thing comes in my mind is Maddie. So that kind of cold and rain outside, but Maddie's not there. I'm missing Maddie in such climate. So by the time I carry on with my midweek sustainability Wednesday, I'll just have a tea and I'll carry on with my work in morning, and I'll get ready for work and I'll head on for work because there is lot of thing are happening at work and I need to be there. Ciao. Oh, actually, mere yaro, you can see how it is cloudy, and even I'm not able to see boat clearly, that far away boat. It's too much cloudy, and also it's cold and it's raining also. Comparatively, the clouds, the rain is not that much, but it probably this climate is going to be for entire whole day today, and the temperature is going to be down and cold. So though it is October, it's raining here. I guess in India, some part of India, central India also, it's too much flood and rain, so everybody's facing the rain. I whenever I like experience this climate, rain and all, the very first thing comes in my mind is Maddie. So that kind of cold and rain outside, but Maddie's not there. I'm missing Maddie in such climate. So by the time I carry on with my midweek sustainability Wednesday, I'll just have a tea and I'll carry on with my work in morning, and I'll get ready for work and I'll head on for work because there is lot of thing are happening at work and I need to be there. Ciao. Good afternoon, mere yaro. Focusing the protein intake in my life, I am focusing on having a protein oriented lunch. So I got the bento as usual, and actually it's extremely cold, like the cold to the extent that it might be a snowfall also, but there is not going to be a snowfall, but like freeze. Okay, everything is freeze outside. And I'm going to find a place to save myself from rain, and I'm going to eat my lunch, and I'll show you how cold. And it's certainly not the climate to sit at one place. It is the climate to go around for a long drives and having a putta. But anyways, I'm too hungry, so I'll carry on with my lunch, and see you around in between, and ciao, and have a great sustainability Wednesday. See ya. So like I said, it's a very beautiful scenery, and I'm going to a different place today to sit and have my lunch. So I'm not exactly sure that I can actually go and sit here because all the seats are wet. So probably I will just stand and I will eat my food. So I'll show you what I'm eating. Again, I mean, I got the same kind of food, but it's in a different version. So it's very interesting. This is actually a chicken, and inside this there are vegetables, and under that there is a rice. So, and it's a very nice within trees. I you know it. I love nature. Having a food in with nature is the most privileged thing in my life, is what I feel. And now I got this company as well. We have a same kind of chidiya here, and these people knows if somebody is eating food. I don't know, these people understand that they also have to accompany me. So with this greenery background and the support of trees and nature, I'm going to have my this delicious lunch, and I'll catch you in between because it's so cold that I'm not exactly sure I can survive outside for a long time today. So see you in between. Ciao. गुड इवनिंग माई लविंग मेरे यारो. सो आज का दिन इट्स वेडनेसडे, इट्स अ सस्टेनेबिलिटी डे, मिडवीक सस्टेनेबिलिटी, बट whole day it was actually like Wednesday. Okay, nothing has changed, but at the end of the day, when I was coming back to home, I mean, in my office building, there is one colleague. She's Chinese, and she's really fond of Indian attire, sari, traditional costumes, and like food, everything. So we started talking, and she was saying that I came across that this is a sari you also wore. I said that yeah, we wear it, and she was talking about sindoor and this bindi, lot of things, and she became so curious. And on the top of everything, I was so enthusiastic, and when I was telling everything about India, like actually tears started rolling down on my cheeks, and I just couldn't stop telling her how special place we have, like our country. So many languages, so many places, so many religions, customs, but we stay in one land. She said that this is a so exceptional country. And when she saw that the tears are coming out of my eyes, she said that I can truly believe, like person like you with so much big heart, I'm sure you have come from the very special place on this planet. And I really invited her. So this is the image of India, and I just can't stop saying things about India when somebody asks me, because it's irresistible. What not in our country? Different culture, different language, different food, different attires, different people, color, features. So much is. She said that is it like every day is like a trip for a foreigner? I said that yeah. If you go in the central India, it will be a different place. It will. If you go in north, south, west, east, it's going to be every time a new trip. Even we have we come across such places that we haven't still explored, and we are tourists in our country. This is such an abundance we have. I mean, I just want to again say the same things to all of you, that see the image of India and proud to be an Indian, keeping all the other bad and dark sides of India. I am not talking on a very rosy or a very fantasy level version of India, but India is unique. And 20 minutes I was telling her what is in India, but those 20 minutes are also not sufficient. And I told her that you will take half of lifetime just to get a glimpse of India from every area, every language, and every culture and food. It's that kind of country. It's not just about space or population, but it's about the people. I was actually getting a feeling of Swades movie, and you know it, my heart is completely broke in two pieces. Half is in here and half is in India, and both of the pieces beats so fast I just can't control. But this is the biggest cherry and a rose on my sustainability day, and that girl, Chinese girl, made my winning because I praised India. So I just couldn't resist myself to share this joy with all of you, and I was really missing yesterday. I couldn't talk to any of you, but I thank you for your support, and see you tomorrow. It's a Thursday. Ciao, and have a great time ahead. See ya.